Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs. A good deal. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2016 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.